Hello there guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to fix beard using AI tool in Photoshop. Also, we will dive deeper into duplicating of layers, using lasso tool, using generative fill, rasterizing of layer, and using remove tool. So let's get started. So here in our document, I got here an image of this man with beard. And you will notice here that his beard seems quite long and doesn't look neat. And our goal here is to fix that. The first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of our background layer. So going on to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active, then press Ctrl plus J. Select on the duplicated layer, then now let's try to remove the mustache. So going on to the toolbar, let's get on the lasso tool. Alright, so let's start drawing a selection around the mustache. Something like this. Then go to the contextual taskbar. But if this contextual taskbar doesn't appear on your screen yet, you can go to the menu bar, go to Windows, and find the contextual taskbar. Make sure that it's tick. It will appear on your screen. Now, hit on Generative Fill. Then, for the prompt, I'm gonna write down here, shave mustache. Okay, now I'm going to hit on Generate. Once done generating, so here's our first variation. Okay, as you have noticed here, there's still mustache on it. Now let's go to the other variations. Just go to the properties panel and you're gonna find out the different variations. So here's the second one. There's still mustache on it. And here's the third one. Okay, so the third one seems nice, but there's still here that remains. Okay, now if that's a thing, you can still generate that. So click on generate to give us more variations. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Alright, so here are the next variations. Okay, so here's the third, here's the first one, here's the second one, and here's the third one. Alright, so still have hair on it. So let's keep on generating. All right, here's the first one, the second one, and the third one. All right, so they're all seems just the same. So I guess let's go down here and click on this. All right, I'll choose this one even though there's still here on the side remains. Okay, that's fine. And now, from this shave mustache layer, we're going to rasterize that, right? Right click on it, then choose on rasterize layer. There you go. So that no longer a generative layer. Now, select on the shave mustache layer, press Ctrl and click on the duplicated layer. Right click on both layers, then choose on merge layers. Now the two layers turn into one. Now we can now start on fixing the hair that remains or the mustache that remains. So go to the toolbar. Now this time we're gonna make use of the remove tool. All right, it shows this icon. All right, then for the options, I'm gonna set this one to automate use generative AI. Okay, and then we may now start cleaning this one up. Until it's clean, just like this. Alright, now let's zoom this one out. Now the next step we're going to do here is that we're going to create another selection on the beard. So, going on to the toolbar, get the lasso tool, make sure that you're selected on that shaved mustache layer or that duplicated layer that is already rasterized. Right, now create a selection around the beard. There you are. Then go to the contextual taskbar, hit on generative fill, and now let's type down here, short beard. Okay, then hit on generate. Alright, so here's the first variation provided. Okay, this one doesn't look well for me, so let's go to the properties panel and check on the others. So here's the second one. Wow, that looks different. Okay, and here's the third one. Okay, so the third one seems nice to me. Okay, this one is better than the original beard. Okay, so I go with this. All right, now from that new layer or that generative layer, right click on it and then let's also rasterize that. Then click on the short beard layer, press Ctrl, hold it, and click on the duplicated layer, right click on that, and then let's merge these two layers. Okay, so why did we do that? Because this time we're going to remove all the excess to make it neater. Right? So with that layer selected, go to the toolbar and get on the remove tool. You can just press J for the shortcut key. And then we may now start cleaning those excess hair. So I'll just keep on focusing on the edges. Now that seems neater now. All right, now let's zoom this one out. And there you go. Now let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to fix beard using AI tool in Photoshop.